ladies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have done this very festive party season makeup look. So if you're going to the Christmas party, then this might be the look that you're looking to do or recreate. Or if you just want to get up on Christmas Day and you want to be a little bit extra glam, then maybe you would like to wear this kind of look. So if you want to see how an easy makeup look can be, then keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, give us a thumbs up. So thank you so much everybody that's joined my YouTube channel throughout the whole year of 2018. I'm so happy to have you all on board and here supporting me on my channel. So I want to just send out a virtual hug to everybody, each and every one of you. Just know that I absolutely love you and thank you so much from the deepest parts of my heart. Thank you so much for supporting me here on my channel. So I'm not going to get mushy and I'm not going to get emotional because, you know, I tend to do that. So if you want to see how I created this very festive look today, then keep on watching and I will see you in the next one, guys. Love you all. I brought you guys up close and personal because I want to start with the eyes because I'm not sure if I want to do like glitter or anything like that, but most likely I probably will. So how are you guys? I'm hoping that you're all ready for Christmas. We're only like a week away. A week today actually. It's Christmas Eve. That is just so scary to think about. I literally need to get loads more presents. Have you guys got all your Christmas presents already? Because I'm telling you, I'm cutting it thin this year. I have literally still got to get quite a few presents for family members. So yeah, and also I am working the whole of Christmas as well. And if you are new to my channel, I work in a care home, so yeah, we're really busy at this time of year. I'm going to be using the Essence I Heart Colour Intensifying Shadow Base. I absolutely love this shadow base. It keeps your eyeshadow on all day and all night. So if you're going to a party this Christmas season, this is brilliant, and I'm sure it's no more than £3 and you can get it in your local Wilko's. So I'm just going to prime the eyes using this. I use my beauty blender and just blend that all out. Use a little bit of this tape. How cute is this tape? I got it from the pound shop, by the way. The trick of this, you take it to your eyebrow, you tilt it where the arch of your eyebrow is, and then you bring that down, and that's where you want your tape to lay. First palette I'm going to go into is the Identity palette from Beauty Bay. I absolutely love this palette. You have 42 shades and it is absolutely stunning and I love it. I'm going to go down row 3 and that's the transition shade, so this shade here, and that's row 3 in the transition, and I'm just going to pop that very messily straight into my crease because, as we know on my channel, I am not a makeup artist, but I really love playing around with makeup. I'm going to take my Zoeva Soft Definer brush and I'm going to go into row 6, and that's still a transition shade and it's like an orangey shade. Well, it is an orange shade, and I'm just going to pack that into the crease as well. So I'm literally just messily just popping that straight into my crease. Because I want the eyes to be the wow factor of this look. Go in with a pencil brush and I'm going to go down the row, which is column 5, and that will be liner, and it's like a bright red, and I'm just going to go in deeper into the crease with that red because I think I want like a red and a gold kind of look. I'm going to go into row 1 and that's in the crease shade, and it's like a browny burgundy colour, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner and just darken this corner up a little bit more. And I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and just blend any harsh lines, and I'm just going to blend that together and really buff that out. I'm now just going to take a little bit of concealer and I'm going to cut the crease with that. And I think I'm just going to cut it like 3/4 of the way over. I'm not doing a full cut crease. The next palette I'm going to go into is my Marvicorn palette by Marvin Magnificent. And I'm going to go into... So I'm going to go into 8000, which is this lovely gold shimmer. And I'm going to use my finger and I'm just going to pop that onto that concealer. So I'm going to go into my Too Faced Chocolate Gold Bar palette and I'm going to use this beautiful gold colour here, and this one is called Chocolate Gold and it's beautiful. So stunning. I love Too Faced products. I'm just going to blend that out on the outer corners. I'm just going to take the tape off. So I'm going to be using my Maybelline Master Ink ink liner. I absolutely love this ink liner. So let's, fingers crossed that my eyeliner is going to be my friend today. Not too shabby. Quite happy with that. I think that's as good as I'm gonna get my wing liner anyway. So I'm gonna do lashes off camera and I'll be right back, guys. So the lashes that I've used today are called the Amazing Shine Professional Quality Eyelashes, and I got these off eBay, so I will link them below. So going straight onto the face now, I'm going to moisturise using the L'Oreal Hydrogenesis with aloe vera. For primer today I'm going to use this one, which is an old favourite of mine, and it's the Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Primer with a Healthy Glow Pore Minimiser. And I absolutely love this. If you've got dry skin, then this primer is really good for dry skin because it gives you that lovely lit glow from within. For foundation today, I've decided to go with this one. I've never tried it before. It's the Revlon Photo Ready Instafix Stick. I'm more for liquid foundations than I am for stick foundations, but I'm willing to give this a go, and I think it's going to be far too light for me, but we'll have to see. But looking at that, I think it's going to be light, but we can always bronze that up. So it's quite creamy, which I like. Going into concealer, I'm going to use the Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer, and I've got this in Neutralizer. And I'm just going to do little, well, quite big triangles under my eyes, let's face it. And I'm going to highlight the centre of my face. I'm going to leave that under there and let that bake for a little while. So while that's baking under my eyes, I'm going to go in with my Lyricsy contour stick and I'm going to contour my face. Well, I'm going to try and contour my face because I ain't got a clue what I'm doing when it comes to contour. So I'm going to try. And I want to contour down my nose. Don't even know if that's right. But we're going to go with it. Well, I've got to now. I've got to commit now, put it on my face. So I'm going to use my sponge, and you're supposed to go upwards with your sponge because you don't want a contour that's dragging down. You want it dragging up. Or so I believe. I think I'm doing it right. I don't know. Maybe you're just shouting at the screen right now going, what are you doing? But gotta try, gotta start somewhere, haven't we? So hey, if you come to my channel, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to dust that powder away from under my eyes. Set the rest of my face, and I'm going to use my Rimmel Stay Matte because I absolutely love this powder. I really need to venture out and invest in some new makeup, which I will be doing after Christmas because your girl's broke until after Christmas. To bronze up, I'm going to be using this little MUA bronzer, which is in Sun-Kissed Bronze, and I'm just going to gently just touch up where I did that contour. For blusher today, I'm going to be going in with this Essence Matte Touch of Blush, and this one is in Berry Me Up. For highlighter, I'm going to be using my absolute favourite, which is the Soph's palette from Revolution, and these highlights are just absolutely phenomenal and I love them. So I'm going to go into this lovely gold shade. I'm going to go back onto the eyes now, going into the Identity palette. And I'm going to go down row 4 and in the transition, and I'm just going to put... Then I'm going to go down row 5 and on the liner, which is that beautiful red. That will do for the eyes. I'm absolutely loving the eyes. I absolutely love them. So onto the lips. I don't actually have a red, I want to go red on the lips, but I haven't actually got a red lip liner, but I can't put red lipstick on without doing a red lip liner because, well, without doing a lip liner, because basically I will get it everywhere because it's messy. So I'm going to put a nude lip liner on and then I'm going to go over it with the red. So the lip liner I'm going to use is my Natural Collection in Cinnamon. And for red lipstick today, I'm going to go into this one, which is a L'Oreal. This one is called Pure Red. You can use any lipstick, any red lipstick you want. You could even go nude with this colour if you didn't want to do a bold lip. And then I'm just going to go over that with a red lip gloss just to give it that glossy, Christmassy look. And this is the finished look. I find it very festive. You could wear it Christmas Day, you could slay the Christmas party with it. And yeah, I absolutely am obsessed with this Christmassy look. It's got the pops of red, it's got the pops of gold, and yeah, I absolutely love it. So if you like this look, then please give it a big thumbs up. It helps your girl out a lot. Also, don't forget to comment in the comments what you'd like to see next. And I will see you in the next one, guys. Happy Christmas, and I love you all. Bye.